Happy Halloween, everyone. Before I move on, drop a comment down below and let me know where you think this costume is from. I think it's pretty obvious, but who knows? I want to see if you know where it's from or what character I am. And I just wanted to make this video to showcase 3 super easy Halloween themed recipes that you can make, last minute recipes. Start to finish, each one of these takes less than 30 minutes. First up is Halloween Ghost Pops. Super easy thing that you can make for trick-or-treaters, or you can bring them to a party tonight, whatever you want to do. Here's how you make them. And so I'm going to come in here and grab a couple pieces of tissue paper. You can do 1 or 2. And sometimes you'll do 1, sometimes I'll do 2. And then what you'll do is you'll take a blow pop, and then you'll take the tissue paper and just put it right in the middle, like that. And then we'll just take it down, like so. And then you'll take a piece of string, whatever you want. About 6 inches or so. And you'll just wrap it around. Wrap it around here. And just tie it. I just usually tie it with a square knot, but you can do like a loop if you want. There you go, and there's the body. You can adjust the bottoms a little bit so they kind of just come out a little bit like that. Cool. And depending on the thickness of your tissue paper is different thickness depending on the brand that you buy. You might want to use 2 or 1. So this one is a little bit thick, but it worked out great. And now what I'll do is I'll come in here with a Sharpie, then and draw on the eyes. And the mouth. And there you go. That is a basic little ghost, a blow pop or Halloween ghost pop, whatever you want to call them. Cool little, fun little craft to make and really easy. Next up, we have Halloween shaped peanut butter cups. This is a super old video that I made 5 or 6 years ago, but it's a classic. Who doesn't like peanut butter cups? In fact, Reese's peanut butter cups are one of the top 2 or top candies, Halloween candies in the United States. And here's how you can make them Halloween shaped. Add 1/4 cup of peanut butter, 2 teaspoons of softened butter, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt to a bowl and mix. Then add about 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and mix until you have a Play-Doh consistency. Add more powdered sugar if necessary. Next, melt about 5 ounces of chocolate, either in the microwave with bursts of 30 seconds, then stirring, or on the stovetop with the double boiler method. Pour a bit of melted chocolate in each of the cavities of the Halloween mold. Then give it a shake or tap it to spread the chocolate out. Chill about 10 to 15 minutes in the fridge. Take a little bit of peanut butter filling and shape it so it fits the mold. Then add more chocolate on top. Do this with the rest of them. Shake or tap it again so the chocolate spreads out. Chill 10 to 15 minutes until the chocolate has set. Remove them from the mold and serve. Enjoy! And finally, this is another old video of mine. These are Halloween cupcake toppers. And these little toppers are made out of chocolate, and you can put them on top of cupcakes or other cakes that you might be making. Super easy to do as well. Here's how you make them. Print off a picture of what you want, then tape it to a work surface. Place parchment paper over the picture and tape that down as well. Melt your chocolate in the microwave with bursts of 30 seconds, then stirring, or use the double boiler method on a burner. Place the melted chocolate in a piping bag or a plastic bag and snip the corner off. Draw the chocolate on the parts that you want to be that color. Spread it out with a toothpick or a brush. Then allow that color of chocolate to firm up about 10 to 15 minutes in the fridge. Now repeat with a different color. Draw a little point at the bottom which will stick into the cupcake. Repeat with the other colors. Allow the chocolate toppers to chill in the fridge for 30 minutes. Place them on your cupcakes or other treats. There you go. That is a look at my 3 favorite super easy Halloween treats. Again, drop a comment down below and let me know what you think my costume is. Also, let me know if you've made any of these treats before and if you like them. Once again, happy Halloween, everyone. Take care. Have an awesome day.